Much of the action around your vehicle happens in front, which is why it's so critical to look far enough ahead and keep your eyes moving. But you also need to know what's going on to your sides at all times. It's no surprise that there's a lot going on to the sides at intersections. That's one reason why more crashes happen in intersections than in any other place. After you come to a stop here, you check to the left, all clear. You check to the right, and you see that you need to wait just a second. Okay, it's safe to go. Whoa! Let's see that again. You looked left and no one was coming, then you checked to the right. But while you were waiting for that car, this driver pulled onto the road and headed your way. Failing to see cars at intersections is one of the two major causes of car crashes, along with not seeing what's happening ahead. You started out correctly by first checking to your left. That's the first path of traffic you would have to cross. And then you check to the right for the next path you would enter. But you should never, make that never, ever, start to cross a path of traffic without checking for traffic again just before you do it. Right turns are a bit easier than crossing an intersection. You only have to worry about cars from one direction. Now it's clear to go. Or is it? Remember, traffic includes pedestrians as well as vehicles. This time, you need to wait for that car to continue before you can turn left. While you wait, be sure to keep your wheels pointed straight ahead instead of turned. This will help prevent you from being pushed into the other vehicle's path just in case you're hit from behind. Okay, now can you go? He has a green light too. Always make your last check a check of the travel path that you'll cross first. That way, you can detect any other nearby roadway users as well. And when you're the first car in line waiting at a red light, you should just assume that another car will run its red light once yours turns green. To avoid these types of collisions, don't race into an intersection the instant the light changes. Check the flow of traffic to the left and right of your vehicle. Any place with a lot of pedestrian traffic bears watching extra carefully. The same is true where there are children playing. Sometimes even adult pedestrians enter the roadway unexpectedly. In areas where this is more likely, such as parking lots, you can use a technique called ground viewing. Ground viewing means just what it sounds like, scanning the ground to spot potential trouble. Although you may not see a pedestrian's body until it's too late, you might be able to detect that pedestrian's shadow or the movement of their feet, which still gives you enough time to respond. Only use ground viewing when driving slowly and for very brief periods of time. You don't want to miss something directly ahead of you.